Alright, hit the juice.
Oh my god, it works. It's not exploding. Yay. I can play with it inside now.
Yeah. Do we really need to light up?
No.
Alright, David, hold on to it.
Hold on for dear life, David.
Wait. Show the thing first.
This is a battery from a wheelchair, an electric wheelchair that we found behind the dumpster. This is our toggle switch. And this is our vibrator. Oh my
That's
god.
not safe.
Do it! Oh god!
Woo!
Is it really that bad? That's powerful.
Here, put it up against the can. Is that the empty one or the full one?
It's full one.
Super done and tell me doesn't.
Sounds like a saw.
That's what I was just thinking. Alright, well,
I think we can rename it the jackhammer.
yeah, we can rename it the jackhammer. Nice.